Hello and welcome back to another episode of Confusion, Torture, Mayhem and Madness. Last time we left, we got started with fishing. It was quite unplanned, but I mean, why not? In this episode we will try to figure out what to do with these fishing things. We have guts, meats, bones, skin, and most importantly, blood. For the blood, we will be hoping that it can be used in an atomizer. And I think it's the same thing for the guts. Yes, it's also an atomizer. As for the skin, I don't know yet, but let's find out. I have absolutely no idea what this is. Seems to be something you can grow or something? Hydrocarbon plants. Okay, here we have something different. Agitator. And an assembling machine. I have no idea what this is. So for now I think we will just leave the skin alone. But we will try to get an... Oh, what's this? Why? Oh my... That's not good. Well, it's nice of course to see that we definitely don't have a problem with seaweed. But this was not quite what I planned to discover. That's what happens when you go fish. So I'm thinking that we hopefully eventually somehow will be able to save up enough copper plates for this new atomizer project. Because we really want to use this blood. And in order to use the blood, we need an atomizer. Actually, this doesn't look too bad. Washer. Wait, I mean, how are they? Right, it's the circuits, isn't it? Of course it is. Damn, those circuits are expensive. But the problem is that we have no idea how to make these other circuits. So we're kinda stuck at making those low qualities at the bad recipe for now. Oh god. That really eats away our iron for sure. Let's take a look at if there is something we can do for those circuits. So it's this recipe that we want. Yeah, this is the problem. We don't know how to make this, essentially. There's a lot of things here we do know how to make. Vacuum, this I'm not sure about. Pressure pump, okay. Sounds easy enough. Graphite. Oh. This is a problem. I have no clue about this. So essentially, we just can't. We just can't do anything about this. Oh my god! Nope. I'm gonna close this down. So we're basically stuck at the old-fashioned way, using copper plates, or very precious copper plates. Very, very precious indeed. Okay, at least the blood is not full yet. Maybe it's a good thing that this fish farm is so bloody slow. I swear I'm killing myself with these puns sometimes. So we have 19 here. So we just need 55 more for an atomizer. Should be a piece of cake, shouldn't it? It should, but it is not. That's for sure. How many different factories? I have a glassworks. I can handcraft this, I believe. The research center is bananas, of course. But besides that, I kind of have quite a bit of stuff here. Stoppers. Pulp mill. I don't think I have a pulp mill yet. So, yeah. Oh god. Worst part about this mod pack? Waiting, definitely the waiting. Are we full of that again? I'm guessing maybe we are. How are we doing down here? Oh, right. That's the problem. Of course. So... yeah, I guess we'll just change it. 10 molten glass for some quartz ore. There we go. Yeah, now we're... oh, I just emptied this pipe. That was stupid. That was utterly stupid, but oh well. At least we have sort of infinite amounts of both, so that's good. In the meantime, why don't we just create some more landfill? Because that's been a while. Let's empty this tailings pond as well. Oh my. 31. be interesting maybe to take a look at the amount. Okay, 2.7 copper plates. Seems like we're averaging between 3 and 4 copper plates per minute now. That's very nice. That's very, very nice. I hope we can keep that up. Well, we should be able to keep that up considering the fact that we very much have all the rest of the ingredients we need for it. Which is basically, in the root of things, seaweed. Maybe that's why we're producing a bit more right now, because this machine is actually going all the time now. Because of the coal gas having been stuck for a while. We shall see. Let's expand our area a bit. We should just take a little journey up to this thing. I will not even bother saving landfill right now. So here we have a giant, huge copper monolith, where we should put down some machine. I'm thinking it's let's see here. Copper mine. Early copper mine. Early copper mine can be handcrafted. Automated factory. Can we make that? Not sure we can actually. Automated. Nope. Copper. Early copper mine. Okay. There is actually such a thing already. The problem is that we need an automated factory and we can't make that. At least not that I know of. No, we cannot. So we need to research something for that. But it's good to know at least that's the building we need. And it has almost 1 million copper ore there. Should be useful. So let's take a look at what we have over here. I'm guessing this is an iron mine. It appears to be 300,000. Okay. Good to know. So where were we? Copper. Always more copper. 46 right now. We're actually approaching that atomizer. We need 75 for that. So in the meantime, let's take a look. We might want to refactor this production of steam and power. Let's see. We can put one there, we can put one there, we can put that there. Yeah, this sounds good to me. So 1 and 2 and that. And then let's use something like this. We do have plenty of iron, so let's use some of it. We're gonna need some belts, right? Those needs a little bit of copper, not like that. But we can probably reuse quite a bit of these. So let's make another boiler. Actually, can even make a couple of more steam engines, I think. Ah, that's using a bit of copper. Not like that. Don't want to use copper. Absolutely don't want to use copper. Let's see, this will actually change the order of priority of things as well if I do this. But I'm kind of okay with that. Let's see. Ah, okay, whatever, it's only one of them now. There we go, there we go, there we go. There we go, and an offshore pump, damn it. Let's wait for that offshore pump and reuse the other one. Okay, so now let's make the switch, I guess. Just need to plug in the power, build the belts, and there we go. Not sure I still need this one, but I'm gonna keep it for a while. Any more? Oh my, 50 copper plates now. Nice. $51. $52. Yay. Slowly but surely. Just like the fish. Now I do know that I could build some more fish farms, but of course that would cost so much actually, but it's not something I'm ready to do. Because basically I can't use the blood at the moment. Because I really need that atomizer. $55, so now I just need 20 more. Oh damn, now it's switching. Don't want it to switch. Holy cow, I really have quite a bit of iron right now. This is a very rare problem in Factorio, that you have almost too much iron. Well, not too much, but more than you can use at the moment. At least I'm not sure what to do with it. Yes, this makes perfect sense that this is out of fuel. It's kind of intended. Alright, this needs, of course, to also produce some steam. Like that. Can't just produce the electricity. Because many of our machines are running on steam at the moment. How are we doing with landfill? Better once we start producing some. How much do we have here? 230. Let's just keep it running. Yeah, why not produce some more moss? We are approaching the magical 75 mark. Maybe we should just have some fun and use some of our wood. Or maybe not. Let's just use a little bit of it. There we go. Just to give ourselves some more tar, mostly, for the copper. 65, only 10 more. I really hope that this will be as good as I hope, or that it will be at least better than what we have at the moment. What was it I could use that washer for? Steam powered washer atomizer, right, got it. So let's get ourselves some of that. So 7 more. Uh-oh. Stop switching. only 4 more now, I think. We're definitely making progress here. Not towards red science, but towards everything else for sure. Well, towards more resources mostly. Yeah, still a little bit more, come on. So much iron. Can you imagine? This is like almost 200 iron now. Yeah, we're very, very close to 200 iron. Come on. I think this should be the last one we need for now to make the atomizer. Atomizer. Oh. Okay, there we go. Now let's see what kind of recipes you have. Blood and guts. And meat. Okay, so let's start with the blood, because that's the most important thing to use for the time being. And okay, that one is a bit bigger. Need more landfill. There we go. So let's put it over here somewhere. And let's make some iron ore out of it. What? Fuel? Oh no, you're kidding me. This needs fuel? Alright, it's an MK0. Oh boy. This is using up quite a bit of fuel, really. Holy cow. But it does for sure give a nice little bonus here. So how much? We have 17 guts. We have 300 blood here. Holy cow. This uses up a lot of fuel, really. But we do need to get rid of the blood. And it feels too valuable to just put it in a sinkhole. So for now, I guess this is what we will do with it. Now, I would like to just try out the other recipe with the guts to see how much time is required and how much energy it's using, and so on and so on. This requires 10 seconds. Not too bad, I guess. But oh my god, it's really using quite a lot. But I'm guessing it has to be worth it, kind of. Good timing there. So, 15 copper ore from 6 guts. 6 guts, that's quite a lot of guts actually. It's about the same power usage, I guess. I don't even know if recipes can have different power usages. Copper ore. So we could start farming fish, lots and lots of fish for guts, which we then turn into copper ore. I'm guessing it's quite efficient actually, since from this fish we get let's see, the blood and skin I know, no, blood and guts I know what to do with. So this is like 5 iron ore, 25 blood is, it requires 50 blood to make 10 iron ore, and that's like 50% to get an average of 3 guts, so that's like 1.5 guts per process, and that's 1/4 of what the recipe needs, because the recipe needs 6 guts. So that's 1/4 of 15 guts, which is just a little bit under 4 copper ore per process. And all this from 8 fishes. And one of these is 5 fishes. This is a lot faster. How so? Okay, this has a crafting speed of 0.64. So let's see here. This recipe costs 85 seconds. So 85 divided by, was it 0.64? Yes. 0.64. Oh god, that's 132 seconds. That's like 2 minutes and 12 seconds. 2 minutes and 12 seconds. That's a lot. But the good news is that this does not seem to require any... Well, it requires a little bit of seaweed, but it's not much in consumption really. So I think this might be a good approach to go for. Yeah. I need to go fish basically. For now, let's change the recipe back to the blood so that we can use up this blood. This is nice. I had absolutely no idea about this. So how much does it require for a fish farm? That's not a lot actually. That's not a lot at all. Gonna save some fishes here to fill up the next farm with. So fish farm. How are we doing on copper? Oh my, 26 copper. This is nice. Let's put some copper in for smelting there and smelt some iron there. So I should already now have enough for one of those. Oh, and then I need some more glass. Okay. That's fine. I can fix that. Oh god. Don't need iron. I need copper. There we go. So let's make a circuit because this is basically where all the copper goes. More or less. So let's take a look at what now. Oh. Okay, it has a little bit too much output of coal gas. Should be easily fixable, I thought. Or maybe not. Let's fill up this one with more sand. Right. That's where this is going. I don't like that this is full at all. I really wish I had some nice containers to store stuff in. But I don't have that yet. We're sort of almost getting there though. Or not. But let's see here, we have quite a bit of that here. So let's switch recipe. And let's give us some glass. Yep. This is nice. Quickly got some glass there. So let's continue to fill this one up. I basically need screener. Can I have another screener? Oh god, it's expensive. Of course it is. So I don't really know what to do about this. I guess we'll just have to flush that one for now. Because it seems like we do get coal gas quicker than we get the quartz, which is okay. So fish can make 3 fish farms. Yes, let's make 3 fish farms actually. Now let's see here. So what I'm thinking about doing now is Well, besides more landfill. We need some of these. Seaweed water. Seaweed this. Yeah, I do want this. So let's fill this one up and let's move this. Hoping that we will have enough of that. Should be enough for now. And let's fill it up with some seaweed. That means that we need another inserter, right? Oh, and of course we need underground pipes. Of course we do. So like that. So now I'm thinking that we can maybe output the fish on top. I have more fish, I have more fish. I need even more fish though. There we go. So now I'm hoping that this wastewater actually works as I want it to. That is by transferring it itself between these buildings. And I need more iron. Oh, more copper. I'm just so used to saying iron. So let's do something like this. So this one is soon ready. So let's see if this works. It does not, it seems like. That's very much not good. So this basically means that I need to disable this one for a while. And basically put an empty space in between them for the wastewater to run out. So this means that it should be enough with just moving that one step. So this one can still be here. So something like this. Let's go pick up some more copper, assuming there is any. Oh, this was unlucky. So much copper we're gonna need. Oop. Okay, that's of course should have thought of that. We got rid of the trash for the saline water, which means that it's backing up because this mod has so many side products. I'm going crazy already, and I haven't even researched red science. I mean, I don't even have a single red science pack. Jesus. And we need to empty that. Boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Electric furnaces would be something. Splitters would be something. Underground belts would be something. Substations. I want everything. And I want it now. So this one we just have to move like that. And let's see, where is our fish? There is our fish. And some fish there. And some inserters. And of course these pipes. So now we are going to need a bit more landfill. There we go. Now that one's running. So even though I'm currently just gathering all the stuff here, this chest for the moment, I'm kind of okay with that in a way. Because I probably want to add another atomizer that just takes from these chests and outputs to another chest, or puts it into an iron furnace or a stone furnace, or just something. Just some kind of automation would be nice. Speaking of automation, we really need to put back this one back. Because otherwise we just have way too much of this water. Stupid question, do I have any copper? I do. Not a lot, but some. But most importantly, not enough. Do I question if I can ever have enough at this point? There we go. So let's take a look at how we can trash this. So we need to get ourselves some more landfill, of course. How are we doing down here, by the way? ingredients. This one is half full. Yeah, we need more sand for this actually. So let's fix ourselves some more sand for this. Or actually, let's just prepare for that, because that costs even more. Oh god. Now of course I put all my sand into that one instead of using it for landfill. Maybe a sign that I'm becoming a bit sleepy. So let's see. Sinkhole. There we go, and there we go. That's it. So sinkhole for the wastewater. For the moment. I will probably regret that sooner or later, but anyway. Not much I can do about it at the moment. So, do we have an inserter there? We do not. We need to have an inserter there. So let's just put into some manually at the moment. Wait, okay, yeah, that one. Oh, it's there, that should be okay. This one seems to be doing alright at the moment. So we need to get some more copper naturally, unsurprisingly. In order to make more, well, one inserter, it's crazy. I mean, come on, the amount of copper we'll need for this is bananas, absolutely bananas. This one does not require any power, this is good. So basically, just a bit of seaweed and some wastewater of that kind gives us fish. Which we process here and turn into guts and skin and bones and meat and everything. So at the moment we have quite a lot of skin, but I don't really know what to do with that, so meat, I think I saw meat here somewhere. Couldn't I use the meat tin or in an atomizer? But I didn't see that recipe, so I'm guessing it's not enabled yet. Yeah, let's see. Okay, wrong recipe. Let's see here. Molecular decohesion. Iron, copper. Iron from some kind of mushroom. I'm really looking forward to this science, definitely. So 600. Oh, right, we definitely need to have a chest here, which requires another inserter. Damn expensive inserters. No, not this. I don't want this. I don't want iron. I want copper. Lots of copper. Give me more copper. This is crazy. Where was I? Right, over here. So that we don't fill up on... Oh, come on. So that we don't fill up on blood. There we go. This is good. Okay. So that's 8 guts. That's already 15 copper ore, which is almost 2 copper plates. Oh, I have actually another one of those. I think I should plant this here, although I don't have enough landfill. And the hour is almost up. Which means that the episode is almost up. Time sure flies, and nothing really happens. It's nice that we have some glass at least. Kind of wondering if maybe we should aim for some more tin ore and get more now. Don't think we need more powerful or faster of these crop facilities. We still have 27 of these. It seems to be enough for the moment, actually, kind of, in a way. What we don't have enough of, though, is landfill, of course. Okay, one more. There we go. And fill it with some fish. An inserter. Underground pipe. And I'm gonna need another inserter, of course. And let's put this back. The gas vent thingy. So let's see here. What I basically need is just one more inserter and some power, of course. Okay. One more inserter it is. Which is easier said than done, because in order to make one inserters I have to make 2 circuits, and in order to make 2 circuits I need a shit ton of copper, essentially. So here we have one inserter. Hurrah! So now we have 4 fish farms. They are definitely not fast, but they will be enough for now. Water animal stage 1. Oh my god, it even needs green signs. I haven't really checked what I need to make green signs. Mostly because I don't have the research yet. But let's take a look. If only I knew which recipe. Don't think it's this. Ah yes, this one is the one I will unlock first. So what do we have here? Oh god. So this one seems to be the first one. Biological sample, ground sample, equipment chassis. That one. Optical sets. Rubber. Rubber. Oh dear lord. I mean, holy moly. Let's not look too much at that. Let's focus on the automation science pack at first. So I think I have a bit more of this now. I do have that, which means that I can sort of also cross this one off. And let's take a look here. Pulp mill I still don't have. Automation assembling machines I don't have. Microorganism mines, nope. Glassworks, yes, that's done. Research center, that's gonna take a while. So microorganism mine, pulp mill. This shouldn't be too hard actually. Just 40 copper plates, and as you can see the 137 iron is definitely not a problem at all at this point. Research center is a lot worse because that needs huge amounts of copper and glass apparently, and it needs a microorganism mine, which I need to build anyway, which needs mostly copper. So I do hope that we have managed to increase our copper production by a bit in this session. Our next project will definitely be one more atomizer. I have a bad feeling about this. Why is nothing happening? Yeah, that's what I thought. Of course. Oh boy. So we might actually make another one of these at some point. Distillation. Oh boy. Copper. Yeah, what can you do? some of these. So, okay, the stack size for seaweed seems to be 300. But let's take a look at the logs again, because I know we have quite a lot of them now. What can they be used for? Moss, wood, something we can't quite use yet, biomass, compost plants. I think I can make a compost plant. Well, sort of, almost. Let's add a tag here. To do compost plant question mark. True. Another atomizer. Fix me. More copper. Everywhere. There we go. Lots of iron, I like. Let's refuel this one. Let's actually take some of this. Or just all of it, or a bunch of it. And put it in here so that we don't run out. Alright, that's it for this time. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy seeing me suffer.